Beginner guide to CSS. You want to start your HTML like a pro. Let's learn the basics of CSS. First of all, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet that is used to style and design HTML page. In other words, CSS adds beauty to HTML. So what are the different ways to style CSS? We have the inline CSS, we have the external CSS and the internal CSS. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the three basic ways of adding CSS to our HTML. One of the ways is inline CSS. Using inline CSS is like you are writing the CSS inside the HTML tag. Understand? In H1, you will see here that we have a style. These are attributes here. We have a color called blue. You understand? And if you enter your web browser and you check it, you will see that in your H1 it is blue here. You understand? And you can easily come and change. You can change the color. Now change the color to pink. Pink. Understand? Come to your browser here and reload. You see that the color have changed from blue to pink. Using that method, we call this method inline CSS. So whereby we are writing our CSS inside our HTML tag. We call that process an inline CSS. An external CSS is a process whereby we are writing our CSS inside our head tag. This is our head tag. This is the open tag of the head, and this is the closing tag. Position whereby we are writing the CSS here, we call it internal CSS. And in demonstration, we are using H2. H2 now we set the color of H2 to red. Understand? And if you enter your Chrome browser, you see that the color of H2 is be set to red. And this is the internal CSS in action. And the last one but not the least is external CSS. How can we write external CSS? Right now, external CSS, we create an external file. That's like in this project now, we create a folder called CSS. Inside the folder, we create another file called style.css. In this file, we write all of our CSS in this file and we link it to the HTML file. Understand? You create another file separately from the HTML and you link it to the HTML. We call that method external CSS. I think this is